In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a Smith machine shrug. So firstly, in terms of setup, I've got the bar nice and high here, so it's just above my knees. That way I don't have to deadlift the bar off the floor and I can start from a nice high position. So what I want to do is bring my feet hip width apart. My feet are pointed directly forwards towards the camera. And from here, I want to make sure that I'm as close as possible to the bar. So here I've got my quadriceps in contact with the bar. My hands go just outside my thighs. From this position, I'm going to unlock the Smith machine and bring the weights up with a nice straight back. And from this position, think about bringing the shoulders directly up towards your ears and back down. Directly up towards your ears and back down. You should be looking neutral as you do this, keeping the elbows completely locked out, so no elbow bend when you do the exercise. Notice how I'm going straight up and down, I'm not rolling the shoulders, and when I come up, I'm doing a big squeeze before slowly lowering down under control. I'm in complete control of how fast and slow I'm coming down. Once you've done your desired amount of repetitions, you're going to then bring your hands back, depending on what way you're doing it. It could be forwards, and then lock the bar in place. Make sure it's locked in before you let go of the bar. That's how you do a Smith machine shrug, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and reps.